Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so let me boil down for you, okay? Have fun or stop. Whatever path you have gone online, maybe you create your own blog, you create your own website, you participate on social media, you join Facebook, you join Twitter, you join Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. Or you decide to do a vlogging, uh, etc. The important thing here is to always, and I will say that again, always enjoy what you're doing. Always enjoy what you're doing.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I know, but try. So, as the rock band Queen wrote in the song Under Pressure, if you feel pressure push down on you, pressing down on you, no man asks for, under pressure that burns a build down, split a family in two, puts people on the street, all that to be online, just stop it. You know what? I suck on the lyrics. Maybe let the guy talks and sing.
Turned away from it all like a blind man. Sat on the fence, but it don't work.
Keep coming up with love, but it's so slashed and torn.
Why?
Insanity loves under pressure, we're breaking.
Can we give ourselves one more chance? Why can't we give love that one more chance? Why can't we give love, give love, give love, give love, give pressure.
All right, Mr. Fred Mercury and David Bowie, ladies and gentlemen. So let's continue here. The point is, life is too short to spend staring at a monitor the whole day and getting nothing positive out of it. Your satisfaction comes first, and that's Rolling Stones. Anyway, the world is changed from within and not from outside. Wow, that sounds Tibet monge, but you see my point, right? Don't ever feel under pressure to do a performance online or to grow your account, to get more followers or get popular, go influencer, whatever. It's not worth your health and your mind and many other things. So I think, going back to the title of today's talking, have fun or stop, that's it. Remember, we talk about taking a break. This might help you a little bit when your plate is full, but it's not a permanent fix. If you feel it's not worth all the efforts and time spent online, just walk away, just a song, right? You can still, I believe, accomplish the same successful results. Concentrate on your offline world, for example.
Can Batman escape? One hint, the worst is yet to come.
All right, so as action, keep reviewing your goals and craft new ones. Don't make those goals and settle on in the rock, right? You can measure other things like return over your time, ROT, but create some kind of happiness index, for example. You can check sporadically how you are happy doing what you are doing. And it can be one more metric that you can check. As we saw, the online world can be very cruel, right? We have the haters, we have other people. And again, your health and happiness come first. If you want my personal example, when I dropped Facebook because it was not making me happier, right? So the same, just have fun or stop. All right, guys, see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.